In group discussion, two kind of topics are normally asked. One which are related to the current issues, which are going on in current. So like this COVID and all these things are going on in current. And second issue is related to any generic topic he will give you. Can women be good drivers? Like that kind of topics. So we need to develop the practice of speaking on general topics, which are very, very generic, as well as the topics which are of current. Current ke liye I have already given you the content and the material. I'm sure you people are going through that. वो knowledge अपना बढ़ाते रहो, लेकिन we should practice for any topic. We should practice in such a way that even if we do not know topic, we are in position to clear the group discussion. For that, I told you that stick to the structure. You should stick to the structure, and you should be very, very basically. You should have some kind of tricks to participate in the group discussion. You should enter in the group discussion, introduction and body mein how you have to participate, and conclusion how you have to do. So that comes only with practice. So when you sit with me every day, 45 minutes, you should sit with full concentration. Ask yourself, are you totally concentrated in the session? या दिमाग कहीं और जा रहा है, your mind is somewhere else. Because if your mind is somewhere else, you will not be in position to have a good group discussion. Your mind should be 100% here, not only in what you are speaking, but listening also. The other fellow is speaking, how they are speaking. And this session should be very, very full interest के साथ तुम्हें देखना है. Think of the best movie and how you watch that best movie of yours in the cinema hall. You are fully concentrated. You don't know what is going on around you. Similar to that, when you are sitting in the group discussion, you have to give your attention. You will find that when somebody else is speaking, you are mentally somewhere else. You are saying, I'm not speaking, other fellow is speaking, let him speak. And you are not attentive. When you are not attentive, the observer is observing you. He's seeing you that you are not attentive because you are not nodding. You are not giving any expression. Because if you are listening to somebody else, you will give some expression. But if you are not listening to others, you will not give any expression. If you listen to others attentively, then reflex section, by naturally your reflex section will be nodding or saying no. और जब किसी की बात सुनते हो तो कुछ तो एक्सप्रेशन मुंह पे आएगा, और वो तभी आएगा जब तुम सुनोगे. अगर सुनोगे नहीं तब नहीं आएगा. तो कीप नोडिंग, कीप लिसनिंग. एंड जब कोई बोल रहा है, दो यू आर नॉट इन पोजिशन टू एंटर, but your gesture, posture, your body will show that you want to enter. But other person who does not want to enter, वो अलग से दिख जाएगा. He does not want to even enter. He does not want to even speak. अरे he is trying to speak, he is trying to enter, but others are not letting him enter. And as observer, मैं उस बच्चे को ज्यादा मार्क्स दूंगा जो ट्राई कर रहा है. At least he is trying. He is not getting the space to enter, but he is trying. And think of other who is totally relaxed. I don't want to even enter. I don't want to even come. So these all things you have to basically practice in your group discussion. And this is the sum total of that which will make you pass the group discussion or fail the group discussion. So what I want is, number one, 100% attention. Number two, you should speak with the mouth, with eyes, with gesture, with hands. You know your hands also speak. Do you know that hands also speak? No, I don't agree. Yes, that's true. These hands are speaking. Your body is speaking. Think of neither you are moving your hands, nor you are moving your eyes, nor you are moving your head. That means you are not participating at all. So do everything, become dynamic, and that is how it is going to help us. This entire thing is going to help us in that particular domain. Anything you want to ask me before we start? I give you the topic and we start forward. Anything you want to tell me or ask me? कोई भी doubt है, please ask me further now. Chandan, is this yours number being displayed? Is this you, Chandan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me give you the topic today, and that is a generic topic, not related to current issues. It's quite a generic topic. Please write, COVID has taught us many things. COVID has taught us many things. COVID has taught us many things. When you make notes in your copy, keep one thing in mind, just write the words, not sentences, because you will not be in position to read sentence. I will give each one of you 2 minutes to introduce. And in that 2 minutes, you should not see your pages. You should try to speak without seeing page. Remember the title name. COVID has taught us many things. Introduction is all about giving direction to the discussion. Think of what direction you will give to the discussion, how you want others to speak and participate. So the topic is COVID has taught us many things. Okay, so now I think I start from Priyal.
Yeah.
Priyal, go ahead.
So, good evening, guys. My name is Priyal, and the topic that we have been given today is COVID has taught us many things. Well, I totally agree with this topic, and I know it's going to be a very interesting discussions. There are several lessons that we've learned from COVID. Firstly, just to give a brief direction to the topic, I would start with the lifestyle, the kind of lifestyle that we all had been living. Firstly, we have been taught the principles of hygiene, the casual attitude and the lethargy that we had with respect to hygiene. जैसे कोई पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में छींक भी दे तो हम ज़्यादा फिक्र नहीं करते थे. तो हमें अभी हाइजीन के प्रिंसिपल्स आ गए हैं. We have understood the importance of sanitization, how a virus can damage the entire families. We have seen that. Also, I think proper lifestyle, when I talk about, I also mean diet wise and exercise wise. We pushed back to the roots of Indian culture, like for example yoga. The rishi munis that used to do yoga, we are moving back to that phase. We are having kadha, all the natural herbs we are intaking. And apart from that, personally speaking, what lesson I have learned is that life is very short and unpredictable, and we must spend as much as time as possible with our loved ones, care for them, and express our love when they are in front of us. And these were the lessons which I have learned. And with this, I pass on the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, now Chandan.
Good morning, friends. My name is Chandan Kumar, and I would like to initiate the discussion on the given topic. That is, COVID has taught us many things. As we know, the current scenario of the whole current scenario of running over COVID, it has very relevant topic to discuss. As on this note, I would like to open the house for the discussion.
Deepak.
Yes, sir. Good evening, friends. My name is Deepak Kumar. I am glad to start the discussion here. Friend, the topic given to us is COVID has taught us many things. I believe that this is a topic of current relevance. I think that yes, COVID has taught us many things. Like it has showed that India is lagging behind a lot of countries in terms of medical equipment, medical things, etc. Also, India has been the Indian people has it has also taught COVID has also taught us that the village lifestyle is also as much as means better than the urban lifestyle, and in some terms it is far much better than urban lifestyles. Also, so now I think I invite all of you to start the discussion. Thank you.
Vipul.
Okay, so am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. So good evening, everyone. My name is Vipul. The topic that we have got is a very interesting one. That topic, the COVID has taught us many things, and I totally agree with this this statement. So any natural calamity or disaster, anything that comes, it always teaches us something. So COVID is COVID is just a new series, a new chapter in that series. So uh, from COVID, we have learned hygiene, as already been said. Also, what I felt is that we learned to uh, live with limited contact, with limited social contact. And one very important thing that we learned is about the possibility of online world, like how work can be done from our homes also. So that is something that India as a whole, or maybe you can say even the whole world has learned, that that online world is a thing. So with that, I would like to open the discussion, and uh,
Okay, Sagar.
over to
Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Today's GD topic is COVID has taught us many things. I would like to highlight 2 to 3 points in that. Basically, first one is that COVID has shown us that how weak is our medical system is. So, lot of equipments are required to improve that. Second is that लोग अभी पर्सनल हेल्थ के लिए बहुत मतलब जागरूक हो चुके हैं। वो अपने पर्सनल हेल्थ के लिए मतलब प्रेफरेंसेस बहुत ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं। और तीसरा थर्ड वन इज दैट द ऑनलाइन वर्क ही मेंशन द ऑनलाइन वर्क फ्रॉम होम दिस everyone from the work culture is adopting this system, and in the future also we will be able to have or maintain that work culture in the company also. From that perspective, I would say that these 3 points taught us from the COVID crisis. So
Okay,
that's it.
Ankit.
Yes, sir. Good evening. My name is Ankit. I would like to introduce the topic, which is the COVID has taught us many things. I totally agree with this topic because when you look as a pre-COVID situation and today's now, we have learned that it has shown that people like my grandfather and grandmother's age have become more tech savvy, and we have started eating healthy food. Online, we have also learned that online learning could be a much good alternative to conventional type of learning, even though it both has its challenges. Thank you.
Okay, Devender. Yeah, Devender, go ahead.
Yes, good evening, friends. I'm glad to initiate the discussion. The topic is of what are the learnings we had from the COVID. We had a lot of learning from the COVID. Like in my belief, the first thing which I learned is that nature is above all. The most important parameter is the nature. It doesn't consider the boundaries which the humans have created. It doesn't consider the development which humans have made, and that small virus is creating a trouble to whole humankind. So we understood the importance of nature as well. Our health infrastructures failed. We understood the importance of rural India, the migrant workers. We understood digitalization, its importance, and how we can work from home. So in this way, we have learned a lot of things, and we all have a lot of to discuss, and it is going to be an interesting discussion as well.
Okay, Ritvik.
Sir, thanks. Myself, I'm Ritvik. So I feel this topic I agree to the topic given to us today, that COVID has a like the main thing coming to the thing for COVID is like there is a between transparency between all the countries that has been increased, and coming to the safety and hygiene and the infrastructure of Indian medical facilities. We found that it is a very important criteria for us to these are facilities in the medical. And I personally have some I personally have some feelings for the things that we have been consistently improving our relationship between our older ones to the younger ones, and we feel like the relationships are more important than the than any other thing. And coming to the other things, like we have been improving our stamina towards everything. Our immunity has been improved. So these are the main factors that in fact created awareness in our before the pre-COVID to the coming situation, present situation.
Okay. Kaushik?
Good evening, everyone. As we want to discuss about how COVID has changed our lives and taught us many things, I would like to add that in the COVID times, the many simple people. Sir, there is some background noise. Can anybody switch off their mic? Sir, am I audible? Yeah. Actually,
Go ahead.
we have already seen. Okay, so as we are discussing what COVID has taught us, we have actually seen that even the simplest and the most negligible parts of the society have come up with the most significant solutions. We have also understood how the entire machinery of the government actually comes into play. When if you see the factors of supplying liquid medical oxygen and any other indigenously developed medicine products, the PSUs and the government sectors have efficiently handled that sector. Also, we have understood that the sanitation workers and other neglected part of the society is that some people or the majority of the society doesn't pay heed to have come into the solution of this entire COVID crisis. We will also like to check on the digital divide that yet exists in our nation. As we all mentioned in the COVID that most of the functions are based upon the online applications and also the mobile apps, but most of the labor class society and the working population of our country are not that tech savvy, even they do not have access to society. And we also as a government and nation, we need to establish some system of actually checking and monitoring the false information that gets spread through any social media platform, as we have noticed multiple instances where such kind of false information that has been circulated through any given social media platform has added to much more panic and dismay of the situation. That's all. I will think any more will be added by you all.
Okay, Ritik?
Okay, sir. So the topic is the learning from COVID. So first we...
Okay, let me give you, Ritik, the topic is COVID has taught us many things.
Okay. Sorry, sir, I was late. So COVID has taught us many things. So first, I think we should always work on future precaution, because we don't want any large scale of this kind of pandemic happening in future. And also if it happens, we should be able to minimize to certain extent. Also, we have seen many health department failures and infrastructure failures and other department failures also. So I think we should also work upon that. Our government should work upon that. Also, we should also see the response time of other departments in case of pandemic like this, like we were not able to supply oxygen. Also, we have learned we have started so much digitization in education and also the work from home, which is being done in offices. Relationships and families have all very much improved because we are now living in together for so much time. And also we have seen different business organizations funding in through CSR funds in this pandemics.
Okay, so I think first round of introduction everybody has given, and now we go to second round, which will be for approximately 10 minutes, and in which you people will maintain the smooth discussion, give your opinion, give your points, and listen to others, so that we can conclude at the end. So now I open the house for the discussion among all of you.
I think COVID has also affected the environment. One can't neglect the fact that India has been severely hit by various natural disasters like typhoons, floods in the recent past. Also, relationships have
guys, please one at a time. If everybody tries to speak at once, no one will able to inspire anything.
So the main point is that the transparency between the countries. So coming to the point, like China would have been informed us that before in hand the situation of the pandemic.
Ritik,
This created a lot of.
What point are you trying to make? What
I'm
point?
trying to tell that the transparency between countries has been increased before pre-COVID to the COVID situation. China would have informed us.
Governance issue.
But I think we already knew that the China, the medical infrastructure of the China had crashed down and the country was in a very bad shape.
I agree to you, but we got the information too late. Like the situation has been started in pre-December, like so in the initial of December, but we came to know that the situation is getting worse in January.
I don't totally agree with
I don't think that transparency has increased because we have seen the medication situation, like all the big companies which were producing the pharmaceuticals. The big countries.
Example how
I do agree with Ritik that I don't see the transparency being increased between countries.
We have constant meetings with them.
These big countries have, take out the resources from these pharmaceutical companies and start the small
countries have come together to work, but I don't see any transparency thing being come in.
That is the reason we are improving our vaccination drive. Like the vaccination.
Whenever you talk about international, I would like to interrupt in between. Whenever you talk about international diplomacy, there are some particular constraints what amount of information one nation will share with another. Okay, so we cannot directly infer that whether the transparency has increased or not.
Transparency
situation was such. I will just like to.
I'm just referring to the condition
I will like to just.
And I think instead of blaming the Chinese government, we must look at ourselves. Even our data was never transparent.
Yeah,
Instead of blaming, we should
I would like to inform that
data is not
transparency
because
between countries is not the
guys,
point that COVID has taught us. I would like to conclude.
It also depends on the data.
We're not talking about international relations.
Guys, I think we are deviating
from the topic.
Exactly. We are deviating from the topic, and our topic was the learning
from the topic.
Yes, I think we are deviating.
Guys,
should come back to the topic learnings from COVID.
We are deviating.
Let us.
International relations.
Okay. Guys, can you take a break for 1 second?
Guys, I think
Let us
another country. No one is able to focus on money. Whichever country was there.
Can't disclose.
COVID has also taught us that the environment has been deeply affected.
The vaccination drive has been increased a lot. This is showing just the transparency, like the relations between one country.
We're still on the transparency thing.
Inclusiveness.
Move on to some other
The issue is about the digitalization importance. What we learned. I believe that COVID has taught us the main thing is that we have to understand our mortality. It's not about the money. It's about living the life with the ones we love. And that's what important.
Also, I think we are now more aware of the medical facilities and aware towards our health also. And also the flu and all these things, we have been more aware.
And also,
I think I would like to add that
influenced our lives, how COVID has influenced our lives.
Turmeric and all the Indian heritage which we had, and now we are moving towards that again. Yoga and all the things which were improving our immunity.
I mean,
we are the physical fitness.
COVID has also taught us
been shown what
we have
the immune system and what physical fitness can do to us.
Efficiency.
It
shows the efficiency and effectiveness of the health, importance of the health infrastructure in any drastic situation.
We also learned that we have to improve our health infrastructures and also other departments which facilitate it.
That's what I'm saying.
Definitely, Ritik, I agree on this point.
It also gives us one important marker.
Major important thing that
I would like to add
before exporting our own vaccines, we must ensure that we are self-sufficient in vaccines. Yes, we were exporting vaccines.
That should be through the
That is the reason government of India decided
health infrastructure.
1 crore people per day. We will surely
okay, one thing, guys. I think we are done with the vaccination thing. One more thing that we have learned from the COVID is that the importance of mental health.
Yes, yes.
Exactly.
I
People
agree
being
with you. I
one
completely
kind
agree.
and not being
Also, we are
able to talk, not being able to express
Yeah,
themselves.
agree with you.
It has,
Yes,
it
People
Vipul,
has,
I
used to take
completely agree.
mental
Yes,
health
yes,
very
Vipul, I would
lightly.
like
Now
to
they
add
are
a point
themselves
here that
I would like to
experiencing
put
COVID
in
has
what
also
other
taught
anxiety,
us
And
that
also talk about the
depression.
social
how
things.
much we have disturbed the
We can also
environment.
it is also one of the
We can
important.
witness the pre-season rainfall. One can also notice the fact that India has been hit by several natural disasters like flood,
yes,
typhoons
yes,
very frequently
and all of them have
post-COVID.
taught us one
Right
or
now we
other
have to
thing.
discuss.
Exactly.
And one thing we are
And
getting,
friends,
environment is getting self like it's
look at
getting
a situation. We can
better,
say
it's
that
getting
our
Yeah,
environment
that with
the
is
environment
better
thing you cannot
position
say.
to
And
Environment
friends,
is
I want
even
to
the depletion of
freshwater
environment
tell
has
you
just
one last thing that
been
when the
postponed. It
lockdown
has not
started,
stopped. I
rivers
don't
and
think
stuff.
we all had a one
the
belief
environment.
and we
Also,
have
we can
COVID to
also
present
learn
COVID
that
situation,
we
learning
don't
and
have to
environment is
learning
go
the
really
to
getting
language of the
better.
birds and the
Environment
nature.
is getting better, but it won't
That
stay better because
lockdown helped
we have
us in
infrastructure,
that
and
way
it
also.
will
also
again the industrialization will again
And
the
one more thing I
industrialization
would
will.
like to interrupt. And one more time, the relationship between our loved ones has been increased. We know the relationship between everyone, like what is the exact bond, like
It
what
increased
are
the
the
Exactly.
I
importance
would
of the
like to add
relationship.
that
But
we
what
as
are
a
we feeling
society
for the
have
loved
grown.
ones?
but
In
That
this
at the
pandemic.
same
relationship thing
time,
has been different for different
Increase
people.
the
You cannot say that
empathy
yeah,
in the
it
people.
has
yes,
good for
Vipul, I
everyone.
agree with
No
you.
one would like
At
to.
the
Empathy,
same
No one would
time,
importance of
like
we can
to.
empathy.
witness
Also,
a lot.
Ritvik,
I
here I
agree with
would
you.
also
We can
like to add
witness
that the cases of domestic violence have also increased.
exactly, exactly,
Exactly.
Priya.
So there are
Because of
two
domestic
sides of each
violence.
coin.
Right.
Do you,
So there is not
out
one
of
story of
Now, it has,
everyone.
I will also
Everyone has
like
Well,
different
even
stories
we are
about
talking
COVID has
this.
about
pointed
one
out
from
that
That's what
our
we learn
population
about
is not
so
digitalization
sustainable.
now
and
We
Okay,
work
should
from
also
home.
talk
let me
about
just
the impact of
let me
COVID
just
and
take a
the
minute
benefits we
about
got in
talking
field of
about
If we
what
talk
this
education.
about
COVID has
work
acted
from
as a
home, then
pointer. Okay,
not everyone is
COVID,
satisfied
one
with
thing
work from home
I would
also.
like to add
So
that
digitalization was
uh,
not
COVID,
like that
COVID
only.
has made India digitally enhanced in terms
It has
of
made the
online
whole world
studies,
enhanced, right?
talking about that
Right,
online
right.
work
India
from
has
home.
been digitally enhanced.
E-
Of course, India has been digitally
Exactly.
it
enhanced.
has
Okay, but you need to
Yes.
Now
think about the
people and
digital
employees
divide
are
that still
missing the
exists,
life of
because not
companies and
everyone has the
the
same
lunch
access
breaks
that
and
we
all
and
these
you
things.
have.
If we talk
Yes,
about
There is
yes,
also
yes,
that
that,
is
Yes,
yes,
people are
Kaushik,
exactly,
I agree
missing
with
Kaushik.
that
I
you.
agree
And
too.
with
this is
you.
also
Section
very
everywhere.
important
People
that
need
our
Yeah,
government of
we
India
have
should
made
do
progress
the
that
something
we have
strength
to
and
there is also
definitely
gender
not
gap.
penalize.
invest in that.
Exactly.
I will like
There is
I
also
will like
gender
to
gap
also
in the
add one thing
accessibility
to
of
it.
digital technology.
Okay,
You, you,
coming to the digital
I will
India,
also like to add one thing to it,
work
guys.
from home is
there
work
is
from home is
That
there is
also
whenever
also
the COVID has taught, well, it has been taught in many other sectors too, but COVID has pointed out that as a population, as a population growth rate we are having, and the population of each and every state being equivalent to some other international country, the Indian government and its administrative machinery is up to its stretch to the bare limits of it. Okay, and if we still increase the population, and if the growth rate remains same, this population will not be sustainable in any kind of factors. And
yes,
if any
The
further,
population
and
thing
I
is
other
relevant
factors
See,
come.
population thing is
even
I
without
do
different.
agree
COVID.
with
I mean,
Kaushik
population thing
that
is relevant even without
It
COVID.
depends that what is the
also about
situation
Not
of the
India
it has
and
Indian
not
No,
come
I
in.
am not
population
able
in
to
the home for the
interfere.
last 1.5 years. We have to think
what
about
about
their
COVID has
mental
not.
health,
but the
I don't
thing
think
Agree
COVID
with
has
Kaushik
made
because
any
this is also
impact.
our learning that
Pointing
we
out
have
that the
got from this
population that
pandemic.
we are
listen
maintaining must
Our
be
government should
decreased,
do something in this field.
because
I feel work
government
from home
if
has
cannot
we are
provide
talking
each
about
and every
India and
resources
states,
to
but
such a
if
That
we
is
large
talk
right. That
about
is
population.
right.
nation and the
Yes,
whole
yes, yes,
world is
you're
Government
right.
not
cannot provide,
fully
but
engaged into
I
the
don't think
COVID,
what
COVID
the
has
thing
so
anything to do
anything
with
there
is
will
that.
be the
that
mutations
Yeah,
and
COVID has
something.
definitely do that. I beg to differ on you on that, because whenever
I
any
mean, it
pandemic
was
hits
relevant
you,
even
it
before
gives
COVID,
us.
and it will be relevant even
It
after
was
COVID.
I think
relevant even before
Population is
COVID,
not
but
a
population
COVID
was
has
criteria.
a
actually
Population
enhanced
is not
this
a
model.
criteria for COVID.
Enhanced
Okay.
it, but
Population is
it
not
will
been a criteria
remain.
for COVID.
Its impact will
no.
remain the
I
same. I
Even
mean,
more, even
COVID
more
will not.
No,
important,
no,
It has
Pratik,
not
I
been
totally
we are not
disagree. I
giving
think
the
population was already a
gentlemen,
problem before
there
COVID.
is
Right.
even more
Population has
important
nothing
thing
to
to
do with
discuss.
COVID.
there is more remote
Population thing has not anything
work from
significant
home,
to do
work
with
from-
let's
we can't
also
say
talk
that
about the economic
only
issues.
India
Work
is a
from home.
problem
Everyone.
because
Yes,
Work from
work
home
from
has
home
made
is a
a
very good
big
point.
Also,
Ritwik.
that
Yeah, work
people-
from home is a very good point. Right.
This increased the moment.
Work from home is not possible in every
everyone
sector. I think we should
but
also
there are-
consider
finance
Yes.
sector,
I'm just
banking
Yeah, it's not
sector,
possible in,
very difficult for
in
that.
every sector.
I would
finance
like
sector
to
or
ask
construction
in the
sector.
service
what
sector,
Work
it is
from home is not possible in every sector. Okay.
right, right.
Yeah, it has originated as a new
Kaushik,
method.
what is the
Definitely,
other
but
alternative in this
is
the
pandemic?
part of digital
I would
India.
like to ask Kaushik, what is the
We
other
just got to know
alternative
that
for
there
in this
is
pandemic?
also alternative.
No, I am
Guys,
telling
we
you
must
that
also
definitely
see
it
that
has
the only sector helping now in the Indian GDP is the pharma, and next comes the IT sector.
Yes,
Right.
exactly.
So
I
IT
agree with
sector
you, Priya.
has got a boost in.
So yeah,
The
they've
medical
got cheap
sector
labor
is,
and they've got work
yeah,
from home where the employee
yeah.
and the employer both
Work
are
from
at
home
benefit.
means,
I think
yeah,
work
right.
from
That's
home
what
is
I'm
a
saying. The
superb
I
learning
agree with you. I agree with
circumstances.
you.
Yeah,
You can't
yeah,
make
Medical
I agree with
facilities
you.
have been
equal.
constantly improving in India. Medical
It's all
facilities have been
based on the
improving from the
circumstances.
pre-COVID
Yeah,
situation.
medical
Friends,
sector has
mining sector,
really
farming
improved.
sector,
I
Yes,
feel we are
and
getting,
this,
we are
and
getting,
I would
we are
like to
getting
also
support
add
from
that
other
this
countries.
like
year in budget,
we are
our
getting
finance minister
electricity
Nirmala
all
Sitharaman
day. It
also
is
gave
because
out
of that
us
primary sector only,
137%
power
hike in medical
sector
budget.
only.
I feel we are constantly getting support from other countries. That's a good sign for of
So
improvement. I
in
feel.
short, what I'm trying to say that COVID has taught us in a social.
Even the we will conclude it later. We will
Okay,
conclude it.
okay,
We
the
will
No,
COVID
let
has
me
more
just
into
also
that.
given us
I think
the
we
actual
should.
reality of implementation of, you have heard of a scheme known as One Nation, One Ration Card. Okay, and
Yeah.
Right.
there were some
NPS.
instances when the migrant labor population was unable to source food, even though possessing a One Nation, One Ration Card digital card. So I think it has given up some pointers about some implementation of government schemes that definitely needs to be rechecked. Okay, the machinery needs to be well oiled so it doesn't fail in any such kind of circumstance which might arise in the future. So we need to be better prepared. Also, the second way we have seen, if we check the attitude of the national institutes of concerned with the medical healthcare, we were seeing a certain note that the COVID was an end game and the second wave hit us very hard. So I think
Right,
unless the
right.
problem is
Yes.
entirely
COVID has
gone,
taught
we
us
should
that
not
second
be
wave
so
has
sure
the
of
we
it.
go-
should prepare for
the
the
second
next
wave has
wave.
been the real teacher,
Has to be
I believe.
preparation
Yeah,
for
because
the
What is
next
humility? What the second
upcoming
wave has?
any
Also, guys,
disaster.
I will also like to take one point to this that as we were
Sorry to
telling that
interrupt,
there were
Kaushik.
many, I think, yeah, sir.
I think we need to improve the
Yes, you
vaccination
might
drive.
continue.
Yeah, I think
yeah,
we need
vaccination
to
drive
improve
That is
has to
something
be
that we need to
vaccination
do
has
in
to be
future.
already
This is,
talked on
what we have
that.
learned.
that is vaccination is a continuous
think-
ongoing process, and that is something that we need to do in future. Now, our
Yeah,
topic of discussion was that what we have
What
been
we
taught.
have learned. What we have learned.
I
Right.
think
Yes, so guys,
in
one
case of
previous point
infrastructure,
that we are
in
missing
case
out
of
on is the
infrastructure,
research.
COVID has
Now
taught
we
us
have
Not have
also, I will also like to
importance of
say that
infrastructure.
Guys, I think the
COVID
one major point
has
that we
taught
all
us
have missed
the
out on
importance
is the
of
research.
infrastructure.
We are still dependent on international relations for formulae of the vaccines. Why
Yes,
don't we have a
exactly. I agree
research
with you,
of
Priya.
our own?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that is,
We
Right?
do have
that is
our
because
research
the
of our own, but it's not
India
I
does
agree
not
with
spend
point.
much of
Priya,
its
I think
GDP
you
on
are
education.
misinformed
Vaccines
about
are
that.
based on the
Research.
foreign
We are
Even
very much
I
lagging
agree
behind.
Yeah, we
focusing on
do
one
depend on
nation
that, but
because
we
this
do have
virus
our
told
own
us that
research
there is no
institutions, so
boundary for the
we are doing
nations.
that.
And
But
we
only the
also
thing is
need
that we
the
don't
collaboration
have
from
better
one nation
infrastructure
to
as
another
the
nation,
other
Yes,
and it
people,
countries.
I
can
agree
mutate
with you.
and come
India
back.
was one of the countries
So
which
there
developed
should
its
be a
own
harmony in
vaccine.
the whole world.
Yeah, so we
Yeah,
are
but
doing our research.
recently,
And
more
Only
instead
like
of
the
focusing
infrastructure
WHO has not
we lag
approved
behind
whole
in
world should be
infrastructure. That is
vaccinated,
because
then
we are
only they will
not
Lack
developing
funding, that
country.
means
So I don't
I
think
think it is
yeah,
the
virus
only
came up.
infrastructure that we are lacking in. Rest, we have the best
It
scientists in the
taught
world.
it taught
yeah,
us the
yeah, we have
importance
the
of
best
No doubt
research,
in
the
that.
research
brain drain that is
facilities in our
happening in
country.
India, whether
health infrastructure.
Okay, I
We
will
need it
also
in
like
such
to
situation.
raise a point
I
that
think
because of
it is
this
time to
COVID
conclude this,
pandemic
I think.
situation, the marginalized section of our country was very much neglected and it got affected the worst. So this
Yes.
learning we can add that the government should do something to uplift them because
Also,
they
Ritik,
are
adding
the
to your
worst.
point, the rural sector has been definitely neglected.
Yes, yes,
I think now is the time that we don't make any excuses and focus on the rural sector,
yes,
especially on the
because they are
medical
also
systems in
very
the
well
rural
part of our
sector.
country and they
Also,
are
friends,
equal to us.
And
also,
personality
friends, I would like
development.
to add that the migrants workers were the
They
one who were the deeply affected due to this COVID.
Yes, yes.
And
Exactly.
one more
Yeah.
thing,
they
friends,
they are all
That
we
is a
have
learning
learned
that
about
we
the
should
media
implement
that media
because
can play a
it's very
very
heartbreaking.
boneful role.
I think
Like
that is not a
there were
learning
many
because
I think
sayings like "Do
it's
gaz
the
duri,
effect. It
mask
is
hai
the cause
zaruri,"
of
and all these
COVID-19.
things were from the media only. So that was also the learning that
Guys, I
media
think it
should be
is
And one
time to
more thing,
conclude
and one
this
more
as
thing,
10 minutes have elapsed, I suppose. We should
and one
conclude
more
the
thing.
discussion. If anybody has further points, please add
Yeah.
and keep it brief.
Okay, Kaushik,
And one
let
more
me do
thing
my
that
job. So I think now we can go for conclusion. So I start from one by one. Again, Chandan, please start concluding.
so the discussion was almost good. Everyone has give their own point of view.
I'm sorry, में अगर
but
disconnected.
but according to my opinion, it has, and from some of the point of my fellow member. It has taught us a lot of things. One of the aspect is the importance of the infrastructure. It taught us the social issue about the social issues. We have to give our priority also to the social things, and it also there are also so more many things that it has taught us. So on this note, I concluded my discussion.
Okay, Priya.
Yes, sir. So, guys, I think we had a very fruitful discussion, and although we all had several points, but the points which I could make out, I will list them down. So, firstly, we talked about the transparency. Like China did not reveal the exact number of casualties and exact number of people affected. So, we were a little lethargic in our attitude. So, there should be international transparency. We've concluded. Secondly, we should not export before we are self-sufficient. That also we've learned. Also, we need to check on the government schemes, like especially the ration distribution. We have to check that. Also, we must not make any excuses to neglect the rural sector, because that is very much a part of our country. Also, I think as all the general points like the lifestyle, diet, health, being with their loved ones, expressing your love, I think these are lessons we've learned. And COVID has been very devastating for our country, and it has taught us many things. The only question which is left is whether we have learned or not. So on this note, I would close the discussion. Thank you so much.
Deepak.
Okay, friends, I take the opportunity to conclude this discussion. Friends, we had a very good discussion, and we could reach to some consensus. So COVID has taught us many things, like our country's medical infrastructure is not up to the par level. So this is the area in which we need to improve. Secondly, this COVID situation has given us to analyze how much we have devastated the environment. So the environment needs to be taken care of. Thirdly, our health, we have this situation has told us that we have to focus more and more in our health and hygiene. And this COVID has made us digitally enhanced in terms of like online study, work from home. Apart from that, this work from home and online study has some another effects on our minds, on our health also. Relationships have improved, but at the same time, the COVID situation has there were many cases of domestic violence. So these are the areas in which we need to focus on, and that's it. Thank you from my side, and stay safe and stay at home. Thank
Okay,
you.
Vipul.
Okay, so I take this opportunity to conclude the discussion. I'm sorry, my connection was disconnected in the end. I could not listen to the end part of the discussion. So as far as I could listen, and what I could make out of the discussion, I'm pointing those out. So the first thing we talked about was the international relation and international transparency. So in that we all agreed that there should have been China mainly should have been transparent, and all the countries globally came together to fight this pandemic. We all agreed on that. Next thing we talked about relationships, hygiene. So relationship thing, we concluded that everyone has different stories. Not everyone's relationship has improved with their loved ones. Even there have been the domestic violence has also increased. So that was another thing. And one very important thing was the infrastructure of our medical system. That has to be. We have learned that it is not adequate, and we have to be prepared in future also. And also in the current situation, we have to improve them to to fight the current situation. And at the end, we talked about how it changes how it changed our livelihood. Basically, how we learned how we learned to live in four walls, and the importance of mental health. So with that, I would like to conclude. Thank you.
Sagar?
In the conclusion to our today's group discussion, many points my colleague has mentioned. I want to highlight two, three. One is that the improvement, not many improvement has to be done in our health sector, and we need to improve our infrastructure. Second thing is that we learn that we need to find we have to prepare for the new alternative for the conventional method, like for example the digitization or online learning or work from home. Then third is that the COVID has shown our the international relationship, like in the during the oxygen crisis, lot many countries have had help us for the equipments. And fourth thing is that we are now very close to our family members, our we are close to our relatives, and these things which are I think COVID has taught us in this pandemic. So that's it. Thank you.
Ankit?
Yes, I would like to conclude by saying that it was a very fruitful discussion and we almost reached a consensus regarding that. I would like to note a few points, which are like we have to take care of our mental health before COVID. We were not too concerned about anyone's mental health. There were so many issues, there were so many suicides and stuff which has helped in making it a very important point to consider. I would like to consider the question of one's mortality. I would like, even though we have improved our network connections, even though there is still a digital divide, and we have to work on finish and reducing that in the next few years. And thank you. That's it.
Okay. Now, Devender.
Friends, I take the opportunity to conclude the discussion. Although our discussion was a little bit turbulent, we got a lot of fruitful points. Like we discussed about government policies, transparency, physical fitness, digitalization and its benefits, improvement in rural functions and rural area, health infrastructures and all. These are the conclusions, and the point is that we should learn from all these things, and we should be able to cater the situation that it should not come again, and we should be able to avoid such a situation again. Thank you.
Okay, Ritvik.
Yes, sir. In a nutshell, I would like to sum up the discussion which we had fruitfully and turbulent. This was very turbulent, and I would like to conclude some points from this. And the main thing we missed from this group discussion was like the safety and development of the many doctors. That's the main concern we have in discuss. And I would like to add this a conclusion point. And coming to the medical infrastructure, this has been a lot of improvement, and the relationships and status and the relationship between the loved ones and the vaccination drive, and coming to the personal development for the individual, it has been a lot of we have been a lot of trying to improve our personal development, personality development, and there is a lot of impact on the economy. And these were the many points that there are many situations which we have learned, and these are the main situations coming to the COVID as concern. And finally, I would like to sum up that we are in the second wave presently. So what all things we need to do for the restriction of the third wave, and that could be easy for all us to survive in the future present. So I would like to conclude by saying this. Jai Hind.
Okay. Kaushik?
We will all agree on this point that the COVID has taught us both individually and also as combined as a nation. So first, I would like to conclude on what it has taught as a nation. So we need to address the digital divide. There still exists a digital divide between the upper class, the middle class, and the lower working class order. It also showed that we still have very strong neighbors who came out to help, and we also have friends beyond the borders that came out to help during the time of crisis. Also, there was a certain lack of international cooperation between the origination state of COVID and the other nations. Also, we will like to say that sometimes we might have displayed, even as a government and also public, that we have displayed cavalier attitude when the first wave has ended. We became careless and we stopped fighting before the match was won. So we need not to stop fighting before the entire match has won. Definitely there was a rapid improvement in the medical infrastructure, and it still needs to be continued to actually meet the present demands and also the demands that might arise in the future. We will also like to say that during this pandemic, many other professions other than the IT sector and the teaching and those professions which can be carried out online has been impacted. So the government has to give some economic stimulus or any other kind of stimulus to rejuvenate growth in this sector, such as steel and construction, which cannot be actually done virtually. And I think we will all agree on this one. And on the personal aspect, we have learned to maintain better hygiene. We have learned that we should connect with our roots. We have our roots in the ancient culture. We were the most civilized civilization of any other world. So we need to actually not to ignore it, but actually adapt them as per our needs. We need not to westernize completely. We can actually maintain the essence of Eastern culture. And in many instances of this pandemic, it has proven better.
Kaushik,
And
1 minute
that's
is
all I
over.
think, guys.
Okay. Now, Ritik, go ahead.
Okay, sir. I take this opportunity to conclude this GD. It was a good GD, but somewhere turbulent in between. So we also discussed many good points, some of which I would like to say. The first point is government norms implementation. I think government should work on proper research and proper we should also have a backdoor when these norms cannot work. So I think that is the one where we can learn. And the second is the medical infrastructure and the other departments that aid in medical were stretched to their limits, and we can work on that. The third point which I would like to add is the effect that this pandemic has had on marginalized section and any other disaster that has on marginalized section is very much, and I don't know why we are never able to uplift them. And the digitization that we are talking about can only be fruitful if everyone is given a proper chance, because most of the students in our country don't have proper facilities. And the foreign relations of our country did prove out to be a very big aid in supplying us with vaccines. And also as a society, we all improved in some or other way. Thank you.
Okay. So I think everybody has concluded now. So let me give you the feedback now. Let me tell you, as a group, I told you, like, please watch all the videos of group discussion which you have kept on the panel on the website of Yourpedia. Please watch especially 3 most important videos which are there on main channel, also YouTube channel. How to start GD, how to conclude GD, how to enter in GD. Listen that carefully. There are points how in the turbulent discussion, how you can enter, make a space for you, how you can enter. What is expected from you in the conclusion and what is expected from you in the introduction. Please watch these 3 videos, which are very precise videos. You go on YouTube channel, main channel, and type these things and you will get those videos. And otherwise also they are kept on the panel. Now, there are other informative videos also on YouTube on the panel. Please watch that also. Many of you are making the mistakes. As a group, I give you the feedback first. You people are not knowing the structure, introduction, body, and conclusion. Still, you are not following the structure. There is always a structure involved. Introduction, you are not to mix body into introduction and introduction into conclusion. In the structure introduction, you are to basically give the direction to the discussion. I give you a small example, like almost none of you could give any direction to the discussion. This direction means COVID has taught us many things. Yes, I fully agree with the statement. COVID has taught us many things. Though it has taught different things to different people, because people have learned differently. But I will categorize this entire learning or this teaching, what COVID has taught, into 2 broad categories: good things and bad things. What good it has taught, what bad it has taught. If I give you example, COVID has taught us how to maintain hygiene, how to maintain the social distancing. That is something which is good. If I talk about bad, COVID has taught us the basically how it can lead to domestic violence, poor socialization of the kids. That is something which is a bad part of the COVID. So it has taught us good and bad. So friends, let's now open up the house for the discussion. And I think we should come out with some points which are good, some points which are bad, and how we can convert the bad things into good learnings. You need to give some structure. You need to give, the moment you start with this classification, others will listen to that. Others will then, entire introduction will go in the direction of good, bad, how bad into good, something like that. Yes, Chandan.
So we can also put in different points like social things, economic things, infrastructure things, and we can
you can do that
one by one discuss on these all topics in the main body.
Like I was coming to the Kaushik point. Kaushik was saying, Kaushik mentioned something in the conclusion, which he should have done in the introduction. He said, I will summarize the learning or teaching of the COVID into two categories: what it has taught as a nation, what it has taught as an individual. ये बात उसको introduction में करनी चाहिए थी. What he is speaking in conclusion, he's classified into two categories. So that has to be in the introduction part, which none of you is understanding. A couple of lines are very common, no? Friends, the topic for the discussion given today is COVID has taught us many things. Yes, I totally agree with that. And I think Vipul only said that. I totally agree with the statement. This is good. You should agree, you should disagree, partially disagree, something you have to say. But this is the statement you can agree totally, not a problem. I totally agree with the statement. Friends, in my opinion, this is a very thought-provoking topic because we need to learn. We need to learn. The teaching for different people may be different. So we need to learn in a right perspective. So it's a thought-provoking topic. And I'm very sure all of us have some points to contribute here. I will open the house for the discussion by classifying this entire learning into two categories, good and bad. And then you can give small example, but don't start flooding with the data. That is the structure actually. And none of you is following the structure. You start flooding with the information and all. Structure follow करोगे तो आपको बहुत सही रहेगा. उसका एक benefit, you can practice the couple of lines. Fluency can come. And first impression normally becomes last impression also. The moment you started introducing with the fluency, structure you were already knowing, और जो coordinator होगा, आप वहीं पे you will win the group discussion. वहीं पे आप उसमें अंदर चले जाओगे. So even if you don't know much about the topic, classification, think of the first 30 seconds, क्या categories, क्या classification हो सकता है. बाकी the rest is okay. Rest is already there in your mind. Friends, good evening. My friend is friends. Good evening. My name is Sagar, and I take the opportunity to introduce all of you to the topic. Friends, the topic for the discussion today given is COVID has taught us many things. Yes, I fully agree with the topic. Friend, it's a very thought-provoking topic. ये सारी चीजें तो पहले ही आपने learn की हुई हैं. इसमें what is nothing new. All 30 seconds you have to invest is structure. That's it. Give the direction to the discussion, then be silent. Others will speak. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. And the conclusion is not your conclusion. Nothing new should be spoken in that. It should be something which is already people have spoken. You have to add into that only. So no new point should come into that. And it has to be all what people have said. You have to add into that only. So that part was also missing. So now I think this particular part, like another, as a group, I will give you the feedback is like, I think Ritvik, though Ritvik tells about normally the points which are relevant and which are more rational, but in this case he started talking about the transparency, and I don't know, everybody started talking about the transparency. Then everybody got flared by transparency. वो सारा टॉपिक ही ट्रांसपेरेंसी पे चला गया. उसको इतना डिस्कशन करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है.
That's why I'm asking, sir, what is the
don't ask, change the topic. In such situation, what you should do, okay, first you should have said like this. Ritvik is talking about the transparency. You should have said, Ritvik, I don't think the topic, you're deviating from the topic, Ritvik. It is not transparency we're talking about. Topic is something different.
Sir,
that is first thing you should say.
Governance topic, no? It's a governance issue topic.
You should say, and that situation will always come. Some member will deviate from the topic, and you keep this line in your mouth. Friend, I think you are deviating from the topic. The topic is not this. So let me bring the different perspective to the topic. What I think is that we should talk about the social hygiene factors or social etiquettes which COVID has taught us. So, okay, friends, let's not deviate to the topic. Let's talk about the digitalization, or let's talk about online platforms, work from home, or let's talk about this which it has taught us. तो उसको लेके आओ ना दूसरे टॉपिक में, तुम उसके साथ डिबेट किए पड़े हो. I tell you, don't take it otherwise. If there is a nonsense fellow in the GD group, if some nonsense fellow comes in the group, then you all will start convincing him that what you are saying is wrong, and he will become center of attention. Suppose I'm a nonsense fellow, and suppose I say that, do you know, COVID is the best thing for our country. Do you know that? COVID is the best thing for our country. I will say like this, I'm a nonsense fellow, right? But I want to become center of attention. And you all will start telling me, no, it is not nonsense. No, everybody will start addressing me. I'll become the hero of the group. And he will win. I tell you that honestly. He will win that. You need to avoid nonsense logics. You need to avoid that and bring the discussion to the topic. In such situation, this is what you have to do. Do not keep convincing that no, Ritvik, transparency, you should not say. No, transparency, how it comes. No, transparency. It is Ritvik's points. You are discussing transparency for almost 3 minutes. You know, he's taking the marks. Ritvik is taking the marks for something which is not even related to the topic. So deviate it. He's deviated from there. You bring him back. That is another thing which you people should have done. Now, let me give you individually something. Chandan, you tried to speak without seeing the pages, but then you faltered and you started seeing the page. You tried that मैं बिना पेज देख के बोलूं इंट्रोडक्शन में, थोड़ी देर ट्राई किया तुमने, लेकिन बाद में तुमसे बोला नहीं गया, फिर तुम दोबारा पेज देखना स्टार्ट कर दिया और इंट्रोड्यूस ढंग से नहीं कर पाए. मैंने तुम्हें बताया स्ट्रक्चर को पकड़ो. Again, I'm telling you, if you participate 10 times in GD here, but if you don't learn, then you will not become expert. So whatever feedback is given to you, just revise it. Next time when you come, वो चीज implement करो कि मेरे को बोलना है और स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो करना है. मेरे को इंट्रोडक्शन का एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है, मेरे को वो फॉलो करना है. तो इंट्रोडक्शन आपका मस्त चला जाएगा, बहुत अच्छा चला जाएगा इंट्रोडक्शन. सो चंदन का इंट्रोडक्शन उस लाइन पे नहीं था. Priyal said it is an interesting topic. He tried to give some direction, lifestyle, lethargy, exercise, yoga, सब बात प्रियल ने बोला. प्रियल का बोलने का तरीका अच्छा हो गया, लेकिन प्रियल अगेन यू कुड नॉट गिव अ स्ट्रक्चर. यू कुड गिव ओनली पॉइंट्स. स्ट्रक्चर नहीं दे पाया. You could not provide any kind of structure in the introduction. You could speak, I will say. You could give some kind of topics which were related to the topic given to you. You could give some points, but structure was missing in your logics. You could not give that. Deepak was cool and calm in the beginning when he started. He talked about urban life. He could not introduce, again, introduction, he could not complete properly. And then Deepak, after that, Deepak's, whatever he said, Deepak, so in the introduction part also, that was generic view. That was not, no structure. It's not like, okay, it was a structure and the direction is there. मतलब आपने बोला, point भी काम के बोले, लेकिन organized नहीं था वो. There was no organization into that. There was not structure into that. दीपक ने बीच में कौशिक कुछ बोल रहा था. दीपक ने बोला, कौशिक, I want to ask you something. I want all of you to learn this trick. This is a trick. When you ask a question to the member, this is a very good way to become center of attention. Okay, Priyal, I have a question to ask you. Can you answer my question, Priyal? You are saying that domestic violence is there. Tell me, it's a good thing or bad thing? So that way. Okay, Priyal, you are talking about the GDP. I want to ask you, is this related to the topic, Priyal? Don't you think you are deviating from? I want to ask you a question. Friends, can you give me some example? So throwing question in the group, asking somebody question makes you center of attention and they listen you. That is a trick. Use it. Telling somebody that you are deviating from the topic is a trick. It always works. Asking somebody question always works. Giving example always works. Narrating a story, short story, always works. This is how you people are to use these small tricks to basically clear the GD. Then I come to Vipul. Vipul said he started good. He said, I totally agree with the statement, hygiene and all these things he said. He was the person who said that, okay, Ritvik is deviating from the topic. So Vipul said that, followed by Priyal and all. and then other people also jumped into that. But Kaushik was basically talking to Ritvik that transparency is not the topic, and Kaushik was bringing transparency topic into the limelight. So he was justifying that how can transparency is the topic. So avoid it. If you find there's a lot of deviation, don't even talk about that. Just say you are deviating from the topic. Topic is not this. Topic is this. So let's talk about this. And usko neglect kar do. And I बताया कि if somebody is talking something which is not related, don't make him center of attention.
Sir.
Unmute yourself.
सर यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था सर, जैसे आई ट्राइड कि मतलब मेरे को लगा कि मतलब हम लोग टॉपिक से डेविएट हो रहे हैं. आई ट्राइड, इवन आई मेड एन अटेम्प्ट टू स्टॉप देम ऑल, but sir, situation was too much chaotic that I could not speak, sir. Then that in that situation, who will listen me?
When the sea is rough, sea is never blamed for sinking of the basically these people who go to the sea. Always a person who is a swimmer is blamed. If sea is rough और आप डूब गए, मतलब आप अच्छे तैराक नहीं थे. टर्बुलेंट रहेगा जीडी की टर्बुलेंस इज नॉट द रीजन के आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो. आप एक्सपर्ट नहीं हुए अभी बोलने में, इसलिए आप बोल नहीं पा रहे हो. जीडी तो टर्बुलेंट रहेगा, बट यू नीड टू बिकम एक्सपर्ट. कि टर्बुलेंट जीडी के अंदर भी यू शुड स्पीक योर पॉइंट, बिकम अ गुड एक्सपर्ट स्विमर. एंड इवन इफ द सी इज रफ, टर्बुलेंट वाटर है, आप स्विम कर जाओगे, वो पक्का है. सो अभी प्रैक्टिस नहीं हुआ तुम्हें, सो यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस दैट. ये तो रहेगी, ये सिचुएशन तो रहेगी. जीडी में ऐसा सिचुएशन तो आएगा कि लोग आपको बोलने नहीं देंगे, तो फिर कैसे बोलना है, वही तो प्रैक्टिस है. वही प्रैक्टिस से आता है. यू नीड टू प्ले. बॉल तो आड़ी टेढ़ी आएगी. यू नीड टू बी अ गुड बैट्समैन. यू कैन नॉट ब्लेम द बॉल कि आप आउट हो गए. सर मैं कैसे खेलता, बॉल इतनी फास्ट आ रही थी सर, स्पिन कर गई, मेरी विकेट ही उड़ गई सर. यू कैन नॉट से दैट. जब भी विकेट उड़ेगी दीपक, यू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल कि यार इसको पता ही नहीं चला. तो वो चीज है, यू नीड टू बिकम वेरी एक्सपर्ट इन दैट. एंड देन कितना भी टर्बुलेंट हो, यू विल स्विम. वो प्रैक्टिस करो बस. वो पैसेज ऑफ टाइम के साथ आएगा. आपका सोल्यूशन खुद ही निकालना पड़ेगा. कि ये बोल रहे थे, फिर मैं जब वो सुनो दोबारा, हाउ टू एंटर इन जीडी, वो इसी के बारे में है. हाउ टू एंटर इन जीडी का जो वीडियो है मेरा 2-4 मिनट का, वो इसी के बारे में है. एंटर कब करना है, कब घुसना है, एंटर कब करना है. सारे लोग बोलना स्टार्ट करेंगे, फिर लल पीरियड आएगा. ये वीडियो भी कल अपलोड हो जाएगा, सुनना. जब तुम्हें लग रहा था मैं एंटर नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, आस्क योरसेल्फ, कर सकते थे एंटर? हाँ यार, इस टाइम पे कर सकता था. इस टाइम तो कोई भी नहीं बोल रहा यार, मैं तो कर सकता था एंटर, फिर क्यों नहीं किया? प्रैक्टिस नहीं है. ऐसे होगा, राइट? एंड देन सागर talked about work culture. Sagar talked about 3 points in the introduction. What was those 3 points, Sagar? You talked about 3 points in the introduction.
Sir, our health system weakness. Second is that the online or digitization, and third is the relationship improvement in with our family members.
So why only these 3 points?
So I clicked that on that particular time. So that's why I mentioned.
But are these 3 points exhaustive? Yeah, there can be 4th point also.
Yes, sir.
Then your classification is poor. When I say, friends, COVID has taught us many things. Let's categorize all these things in 2 categories, good and bad. Can there be third?
Okay.
So my classification is complete. Friends, COVID has taught us three things. But if I say not only 3, yeah, it has taught us 4th thing also, 5th thing also, 6th thing also. That means your classification is poor. You are making wrong classification for the sake of making it. Ankit, you talked about tech savvy and everything, but your introduction was very, very short. You could not introduce at all. It was very, very short. Don't keep it so short. You should have something to speak in introduction. Those 4-5 lines and 2-3 your lines. You can speak, your communication is good, but you need to speak. Ankit could not do that. Devendra said, learning we had from the COVID is the topic. Don't change the topic. Learning from COVID is a different topic. COVID has taught us many things is a different topic. Learning from the COVID is always going to be good. I will not learn bad things from COVID. But COVID has taught us good things also, bad things also. और टॉपिक चेंज मत करो, डोंट चेंज द टॉपिक. थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस चेंज करने से टॉपिक चेंज हो जाता है. देवेंद्र चेंज द टॉपिक. Ritvik, relationship immunity. Ritvik talked about many things. This relationship immunity and all, transparency. Normally Ritvik has points, good points, but today Ritvik was deviating a lot. I don't know the reason. You listen to your entire GD today, you'll find that not only transparency but other places also you were deviating a lot. So you need to maintain that. Don't deviate from the topic, otherwise they will catch you. Kaushik, your point is like you have good communication and you have knowledge also, but you are giving additional dose of knowledge in your GD. You are saying many things which are not related to the topic and many things which people cannot decode. Just listen to your introduction tomorrow and you'll find कि ये जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं. Keep your discussion very simple, very straight, short sentence, close to the topic. That is impressive. Don't use any word, technical, jargon, or English vocabulary which others do not understand. Don't do that. Suppose your English vocabulary is very good, don't speak that word जो बाकियों को समझ ना आए. Don't use technical jargon which only you know. You know, sometimes students have knowledge of economy. उन्होंने सिविल्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, IAS की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, इकोनॉमी का नॉलेज है, डिस्कशन में बैठे एंड दे वांट टू बेसिकली फ्लॉन्ट दैट कि मेरे को तो इकोनॉमी आती है, एंड दे विल ऐड दोस टर्म्स इवन इफ इट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सिमिलरली यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर GRE, वोकैबुलरी फंडू है तुम्हारी, GD में बैठ के अब लोगों को कैसे बताओगे वोकैबुलरी बहुत तगड़ी है. जहां सिंपल वर्ड से काम चल जाए वहां तुम हैवी सा वर्ड फेंक रहे हो. पुअर परफॉर्मेंस. नोबडी विल गिव यू क्रेडिट फॉर दैट, क्योंकि उसको भी समझ नहीं आएगा जो सुनने वाला है, कोऑर्डिनेटर, उसको पता नहीं चलेगा, वो तुम्हें मार्क्स नहीं देगा. कीप सिंपल, कीप टू द पॉइंट, स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस, दैट हेल्प्स. तो कौशिक आपके डिस्कशन में ऐसा बहुत जगह पे हुआ. एंड सेकंड, डोंट प्ले द रोल ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेटर. Don't tell us friends go one by one, listen to others, friends don't do like this, friends don't. वो आपका काम नहीं है. Maybe I want it to be chaotic, I myself want it to be chaotic. I want कि तुम लोग लड़ो, मच्छी मार्केट बनाओ, फिर मैं देखूं कि आप में से अच्छा स्विमर कौन सा है. I don't want a smooth water यार, I don't want to give you swimming pool, I want to give you rough sea. रफ सी हो रहा है, तुम उसको स्विमिंग पूल बनाने की ट्राई कर रहे हो. मेरे को तो पता लगाना है कि आप में से रफ सी में कौन स्विम कर सकता है. स्विमिंग पूल में तो तुम सभी लोग स्विम कर लोगे. सो एज अ कोऑर्डिनेटर आई नो दैट, मैं ढूंढ भी लूंगा, मेरे को पता भी लग जाएगा कौन सही चल रहा है. सो यू ऑल आर इन रफ वाटर एंड आई वांट टू फाइंड आउट माय विनर, हु इज द पर्सन देयर, आई एम टू आइडेंटिफाई, और मैं वो ढूंढ लूंगा. आई नो हाउ टू फाइंड इट आउट. सो लेट इट बी रफ इफ इट इज रफ. कोऑर्डिनेटर नहीं बोल रहा है, तुम क्यों बोलोगे. एंड लेट्स फ्रेंड, नाउ 10 मिनट्स हो गए हैं, लेट्स कंक्लूड. डोंट डू दैट. वो भी मेरे काम है, वो भी तुमने नहीं बोलना है कौशिक. सो यू आर नॉट टू डू दैट, राइट. ऐसा ना तुम उससे पहले कंक्लूजन सब बोलो, लेट्स कंक्लूड नाउ फ्रेंड्स, तो कोऑर्डिनेटर बोलेगा मेरा तो काम उसने ले लिया. डोंट डू दैट. बाकी कंक्लूजन वाला पार्ट जो आपने किया, दैट शुड बी इन द इंट्रोडक्शन. यू सेड कंक्लूजन आई विल डू इन नेशन वाइज, इंडिविजुअल वाइज, and I think you added many things new in the conclusion. New things are not to be added in conclusion. In my opinion, you added many things which were new in the conclusion. Don't do that. Ritik mention about topics, digitization, education, relationship. Again, structure nahi tha usme. There was no structure involved. It was only information. So this entire thing should have structure. That was missing, right? So I will not give you any marks today again, but you need to learn. So tomorrow will not have GD, day after tomorrow will have again, revise it. मेरे को लग रहा है कि तुम स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ नहीं रहे हो. अगर तुम तैयारी नहीं करोगे जो पैनल पे पड़ी हुई चीज, और हर दिन यहाँ पे आओगे, तो तुम्हारी लर्निंग नहीं होगी. 10 GD के बाद भी ग्रोथ नहीं दिखेगा. लेकिन अगर तुम वो सुनोगे, you will listen to that. On panel I have kept it separately. Information about GD, very small topics I've prepared. Okay, do this. Listen to that attentively.
Yes, sir.
And then know your feedback and
Yes,
try
sir.
to implement that. Then you will do very fast. After how many GDs you should be expert? 5.
Up to 5 years.
If growth is not coming after 5, means you are not following the right track. Either you are
Yes,
not
sir.
coming prepared or you are not listening to that. तो वो mistake होता रहेगा तुमसे, and you will not become
Yes, sir.
expert. Now, anything else you want to ask me? Anything you want to ask me? And learn not only from your mistakes, learn from others' mistakes also.
Okay.
And believe me, group discussion is a very simple thing. Don't make it complicated. We make it complicated. Actually, it is very simple. Simple बोलना है, simple सोचना है, hostel के room की तरह discussion करना है, कोई लंबा चौड़ा analysis नहीं है. We all know the points which we discuss, innovative points. The topic now, if you start thinking about this topic, you will give 10 more points to you, which you did not give in the discussion. Because your mind is not creative when you are discussing. Your mind is totally, I'll say, directed by you. कि मेरे को मैं तो GD में बैठा हूँ. Don't think that way. Let it be creative. Let your mind think innovative, positive, solution-wise, and your discussion will be good. Fine. So this will be uploaded tomorrow, and the link will be shared to you. And tomorrow will not have any GD. Day after tomorrow will have GD. Fine.
Okay.
And please revise the topics. Okay. Good night to all of you.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
Thank you.
Right, sir.